Are you doing your last minute Christmas shopping but don't know what to get? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to talk about all my favorite products that I reviewed on this channel. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy In. On this channel we do a whole bunch of tech and audio reviews. If you're into any of that, hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the bell notification right next to it so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And as always with all these products, I'll put them all down in the description below so you guys can click that and see the current price and see other people's reviews. And with all these products I'm gonna mention, I'm gonna have the review links that I reviewed on them next to the product links down in the description below, so you guys can go down there and you can watch my review on that product if you want to. Yeah, so today we're gonna break down a little list of my favorite things I reviewed on this channel that I had hands-on with. And at the end, I'll throw in some other ideas that might help someone out when it comes to like what to get someone for Christmas and whatnot. And don't worry about the prices. I have the prices up the whole time for every product, so you know whatever the current price is as I did this video. All right, first on the list is the Jaybird Vistas. Now the Jaybird Vistas are great for runners, people that are working out, people always on the move, because the earbuds have a little wingtip and they're very comfortable the way they're formed, that they will sit in your ear and they won't go nowhere. Now, if you're looking for something for someone that loves to work out all the time and they, their earbuds are, they always complain about them or something, these are definitely ones you want to look into. They have one like the runners, like choice, best running earbuds on some website. So yeah, this is definitely a product you want to look at if you want to upgrade someone that's into working out and all that. If you want to upgrade their earbuds, this is probably ones that you want to get. Next, we have the JBL Charge 3 or 4. You can't go wrong with either of them. If you're on a tighter budget, you can go with the Charge 3 because it's not that far off from the Charge 4. They both have great sound quality, no matter which one you get. I still rock the Charge 3 at work and I listen to the Charge 4 at home. I love both of them the same and they're not that far apart. But yeah, if you're on a tighter budget, you can definitely lean towards the Charge 3, and whoever you're giving this to, they would not be disappointed. But if you just want to get them the newer version, there is the Charge 4. It does come in a lot more colors as well, so you also have that option. Hopefully they have their favorite color for whoever you're giving that to. Now we're gonna get to headphones with the Sony 710Ns. Now these headphones are in the budget range and the noise canceling technology is really good on these. I also did a test on that in my review, and they sound really good. They sound clear, and the noise canceling blocks out everything. So if you're trying to get this for someone that is always commuting or something, and they love their music and they just want to block out that world, these will be some great budget Sony headphones that you can get. Then we have the Audio Technica M50s. These headphones are great. When it comes to overall balance and great sound, these headphones have that. They might not be the loudest headphones, but when it comes to the sound quality, these are amazing. So if you have anyone that produces music or they're trying to make music, these will be some great headphones to get them because it gives you the true sound and you can really pick up all the frequencies and everything with these headphones. So if you know anyone that's making music and you want to help them out, these are definitely the headphones to get them, because I'm telling you, the sound quality on these are great. Next, we have the Sony M4s. Now these are gonna be a little bit more pricey. These are $350 headphones. I think with the sales going on, they're like $280 up. But these are the best headphones this year, hands down. These things are amazing. The best noise canceling in the game right now. You put these on, it just cancels out everything. Then you take them off and you're like, I forgot this is what the real world sounds like. If you want to get someone some great headphones, they love music, they're, like I said, they're always, traveling or something, you want to get them some great noise canceling headphones, these are the ones that are definitely worth every penny. Sony M4s are the real deal. Definitely. I love mine. I'm pretty sure whoever you give these to are gonna love them. Next, I want to talk about the Hyperboom. The Hyperboom is definitely probably my favorite big speaker. This is a little bit in the higher price range too. This is like a $400 speaker, but normally a lot of the bigger ones are like the JBLs and all that are in the $500, $300 range. Now the Hyperboom from Ultimate Ears, I love this speaker. It looks nice. It has a more modern looking design. It looks like you can put it in the house or put it outside, no problem. But everything sounds so good. The mids and the highs, so the vocals and the instruments, they really sound clean and crispy, but that bass from this speaker, it really shakes and you feel that bass. So if you're looking for a good speaker to get someone, it is a 2020 product. so it's brand new. If you want to get them this nice looking speaker, and they like to, you know, go to the beach, play music, or they have get-togethers and stuff, and they normally use like a small one, you can definitely upgrade them to this big, nice speaker. I love my Hyperboom. Definitely a great product, and definitely will be a great gift. Another one I don't want to forget is like the Bose SoundLink Mini 2, which is right there. I don't know if you can see it. Now, I love this little speaker. It has great battery life. It has nice little bass rumble into it. And also it sounds clear in the mids and the highs. Now, if you want to get someone a small speaker, this is more of a home speaker, like, you know, for your desk, your office or something. It's not, you could use it outside, but it's more of a luxury type speaker, which you keep inside. Now, if you want to get that for someone's office, or, you know, they have a gaming setup or something, and you want to get them a nice little speaker, I would definitely think about the Bose SoundLink Mini. Now we're going to talk about soundbars, the king of my channel. Every time I do a soundbar review, it seems to do amazing. So, but the two that stood out to me for this year, I do want to shout out the JBL 5.1 detachable. That thing is amazing. It'll make your house sound like a movie theater for sure. If you want to get a budget home, well, if you want to get a $500 system that will make your house sound like a movie theater, the JBL 5.1 is the way to go. I also did a review on that. But the two from this year I do want to shout out is the Roku soundbar. Now the Roku soundbar is great because it's a 2-in-1. You get the Roku and the soundbar. So you get a Roku built in, so when you connect it, you can just have the features of that. So if you're looking to get someone a streaming stick and they don't have a soundbar, you can just get this Roku soundbar for the 2-for-1. It sounds great, and you can always upgrade later because they have a subwoofer you can buy, and then they have, you know, rear speakers you can buy, so you can make, you know, a little home theater out of that as well. The next soundbar was the Samsung HWT 450. I wasn't expecting much from this soundbar when I was doing my review. This thing has so much bass for a budget price. Like if you were trying to hook up, like say you spent a lot on your TV this Christmas and you're like, I need a soundbar to go with it because, you know, TV sound sucks. So you're like, I need a soundbar to go with it to give me some more, and you don't have much budget, this is the way to go. This thing, it shakes and rattles with a nice little compact subwoofer. If you're looking to upgrade someone's, you know, audio situation when it comes to, you know, soundbar on their TV, definitely look at this one. It has great bass. It sounds good. I really did like this one. This was a really good soundbar. Next we have the Echo Dot, and I think it's now the 4th gen Echo Dot they have. This is great if you want to get someone into, you know, the smart home thing. Of course, get them a couple. You just need an Echo Dot and a couple smart plugs to start off to turn your home, or turn whoever you're getting this gift for's home into a smart home. So you can easily plug that. Like we have the TV. We'll just say, you know, can you turn off the TV? And it turns it off. So you just need a couple smart plugs and then the Echo Dot, and you can get someone into a smart home easily. And then you also have that home assistant as well. All right, so next we're gonna get into upgrading, you know, someone's YouTube game. I would definitely say, if you've been saving up and you've been wanting to get someone a camera, you don't know what you want to get, I would definitely say the Canon M50 is a great option. That is what I'm using. It's one of the, you know, budget high-end options that you can get. I got mine refurbished, so you can go to Canon's website, and then on there you can look in the refurbished area for a Canon M50. Make sure you get the one with the lens, so you don't have to worry about buying the lens as well, because the most expensive thing about cameras are the lenses most of the time. So say they already have a camera, but they always been talking about audio quality, they want to improve it. I would definitely say if you have the budget, get them the Rode Video Mic Pro. The Rode Video Mic Pro is amazing. That's the mic I'm using right now as we speak. I've had the other Rode mics, like the Mic Mini, which is like a little tube. I had that one. That one's fine. There's one in between there. I think it's I don't know what's the one in between, but I reviewed that one as well, and it cracks and it pops a lot, and it was really bad. It gave me bad audio. So then I just bit the bullet and I got the Rode Video Mic Pro. I haven't had no problems since. I definitely love this mic, and it's a great way to upgrade, you know, someone's audio for YouTube. So that was about all the major things I could think of, but I could do some honorable mentions real quick. I was definitely say like the skylight. It's a night light. It'll light up your room like a blue, and then but on the ceiling you'll have like clouds and like galaxy stars, and it rotates. It looks amazing. I really love that night light. We turn it on every night, so that'd be good for, you know, some kids' rooms, anyone that's you know, hooking up the room, a women's cave, man cave type thing, any of that. You can even put it in, if you have a home theater, you have that light in there. It'll look amazing. For everyone if you have husband and wife, kids, boyfriend, girlfriend, they play video games. You want to get them a certain game, but you can't remember what the game's called and you don't want to ask them. Just buy the PlayStation Network cards, you know, the Xbox Live cards, Steam cards. Basically, it's just money. It's a gift card where they can buy the games themselves. Don't worry about that. Don't stress about the game. Don't make the mistake of buying last year's Madden 20 when Madden 21 is out. Don't worry about none of that. Just buy them the card. They'll be just as happy. I know I'm always happy when someone gives me a PlayStation Network card and I'm like, yes, I already know what game I want to buy. Cyberpunk. I'm about to buy that. Another one for you getting something for gamers, headsets. I didn't review this one. I have an Astro A50s. They're great headsets, but you could get, you know, Turtle Beach headsets. There's HyperX headsets, all that. Definitely upgrade someone's headset game. If you know they have a budget cheap headset or they keep complaining and crying about it, gamers will love gear. You know, getting them a headset, that'd be great, especially nowadays. Headsets let you hear all around you and hear where footsteps are coming from, and it makes games more immersive. So if you want to upgrade their headset gear, that would be a great gift as well. Or if they don't have one, definitely you should get them one. Anime lovers, scrolls you can get off of Amazon. I got all these off of Amazon, same seller. Statues, you can get statues. This is a video game one, but you can get anime statues if you know what animes they like or what anime they're watching. You can definitely just get statues. They have lights as well. You can get these type of lights. It's see-through, but it lights up their character. So that's a good thing for like anime people. There's not much more. You can get like posters and stuff for anime people as well, or anybody, gamers, anime, sports fans, whatever. You know, TeePublic. That's where I got this shirt. That's where I get all my anime shirts. Number one, anime shirts are so expensive when you look at places. It's like $30, $27. So normally on TeePublic, they always have like $14 shirts. Sometimes they can get a little bit lower, especially the closer you get to Christmas. So look at TeePublic. I'm not gonna say they're the greatest website, because I've had times where I had to email them like 3 times straight for one shirt out of the 5 I bought. And it's because, you know, the print was messed up or the color was off, the size was wrong. So with that, they don't ask, like if they messed up on the shirt, I just keep it and they'll just send me a replacement. They don't ask me to send it, worry about shipping it back to them or none of that. If they mess up, you just send them a picture, say, hey, this is wrong. They say, keep it, just keep it, and they'll send you a new one. So that's one thing they do, but normally out of a lot of my shirts, I probably had 2 shirts where I had to issue multiple times out of the 10 I have. So TeePublic is definitely the place to go to find different designs of anime shirts and, you know, other stuff as well. All right, buds, so there you have it. That was like my favorite things that I reviewed this year, except for the, you know, honorable mentions I tossed in at the end. But like I said, the products I talked about, I reviewed and, you know, tested and used it. So I'll put the review link in the description under the product link, so you guys won't have to worry about it. You can just see my review just for that product. If you're thinking about buying it, you can see what I said about it in depth. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I really, really, really do. Thank you for helping my channel grow. All right, bud, so I'll see you in the next video, whatever that is. So to everyone out there, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and be safe out there, everyone. See you in the next one. Peace.